Dear students, and welcome back to this module on essential features of handset and sensors. After completion of this module, the learners will be able to recall essential features of handset and list commonly used sensors in mobile handset. Now it's time to understand essential features of handset. A battery providing the power source for the phone functions. An input mechanism to allow the user to interact with the phone. The most common input mechanism is a keypad that touch screens are also found in some high-end smartphones. Basic mobile phone services to allow users to make calls and send text messages. All GSM phones use a SIM card to allow an account to be swapped among devices. Some CDMA devices also have a similar card called RUIM. Send and receive data and faxes if a computer is attached. Access swap services and provide full internet access using technologies such as GPRS. Applications like a clock, alarm, calendar, calculator, and few games. Now we will learn commonly used sensors in mobile handset. Accelerometer. Accelerometer or gravity sensor is a device that can measure acceleration, but in smartphones they are able to detect changes in orientation and tell the screen to rotate. Basically, it helps the phone know up from down. Gyroscope. The gyroscope is a sensor that can provide orientation information as well, but with greater precision. Android phone's sphere camera feature can tell how much a phone has been rotated and in which direction. It is also used by Google Sky Map for telling what constellation you are pointing a phone at. Almost all smartphones use it to support by gaming and popular apps like to watch 360 videos. Light sensor. A phone light sensor is what measures how bright the ambient is. The phone software uses this data to adjust the display to brightness automatically. When ambient light is plentiful, the screen's brightness is pumped up, and when it is dark, the display is dimmed down. Proximity sensor. It is able to detect the presence of nearby objects without any physical contact. It is comprised of infrared LED and IR light detector. It also allows you to turn off your display during calls when you allow your phone to make contact with your ears. Temperature sensor. There is a thermometer in every smartphone, but they are used to monitor the temperature inside the device and its battery. If the component is detected to be overheating, the system shuts itself down to prevent the damage. Temperature sensor is used to measure the temperature of the device inside the smartphone. Camera. It is also a kind of sensor and it can be modified to become a microscope. It is also called as an image sensor. Barometer. Higher end phones have a built-in barometer. It is a sensor that can measure atmospheric pressure. Data measured by it is used to determine how high the device is sea level. When it turn results in improved GPS accuracy. This sensor is really cool. Heart rate. Heart rate monitor is used in measuring heart rate of human beings. GPS. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. The GPS unit in smartphone communicate with the satellite to determine our precise location on Earth. GPS is used in all location-based apps like Ola, Uber, fitness apps. Magnetometer sensor. It is used to detect magnetic fields. Now it's a time to reflect and think, what are the essential features and commonly used sensors of mobile handset? Pause the video, think and write down your answer in the notebook. Once you have done, then you can start the video. I am very thankful for attending this module on essential features and commonly used sensors of handset. I wish you all the best for further learning. Thank you.